Hey, have you ever heard of the law of assumption? Buckle up because we're diving into this fascinating topic today. So, what's the law of assumption all about? Well, it's this concept from Neville Goddard that suggests our assumptions, if we persist in them, can actually become our reality. Pretty mind-boggling, right? Picture this: you're stuck in a job you dislike, dreaming of a career change. According to the law of assumption, you need to start assuming the mindset of someone already in your dream job. Visualize yourself thriving in that new role, feel the excitement, and believe in it like it's already yours. When you persist in this assumption, it's like setting the stage for your dream job to materialize in your life. Now, how can you actually use this stuff in your day-to-day? Let's break it down. First, identify your desired assumption. Be clear about what you want to manifest. Whether it's a new job, a healthier lifestyle, or a fulfilling relationship, pinpoint your desired outcome. Second, imagine the end result. Close your eyes and paint a vivid mental picture of yourself living your dream reality. See the details, feel the environment, and immerse yourself in that scene. Third, feel the emotions. Emotions are key. Tap into the feelings you'd experience if your assumption were true. From joy to gratitude, let these emotions fuel your belief in the desired outcome. Fourth, persist, persist, persist. This is where the magic happens. Keep holding on to your assumption, even when doubts creep in. Consistency is key. The more you persist, the more likely your assumption will materialize. Now, let's address a common misconception. Some might think the law of assumption is just wishful thinking. But here's the kicker: it's about aligning your thoughts and emotions with your desired reality. It's not about wishful thinking, it's about intentional creation. So, what's the takeaway here? The law of assumption isn't some mystical hocus pocus, it's a powerful tool for manifesting positive changes in your life. Next time you catch yourself doubting your capabilities or feeling stuck in a rut, remember this: your assumptions can shape your reality. Transform your mindset, envision your dreams, and watch how the world around you starts shifting. In a nutshell, assume the best, expect the best, and be open to receiving the best. And who knows, your assumptions might just lead you to extraordinary places. Don't miss out on more insightful content like this. Hit that subscribe button now for regular doses of personal growth and manifestation tips.